PSA, this video is made in complete compliance with YouTube's counterfeit policy. I want to make it very clear that I'm not endorsing, marketing, or selling counterfeit items, so do not buy counterfeits. This video is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes to educate viewers so they don't get scammed. Just before the video starts real quick, I just want to let you guys know that every single product in this video is from our website. All links will be in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another banger. It's your boy Ken, and it has been way too long, but today I got such a special video for you guys. You can see here more than 22 kg in this package, boys. My first haul from AllChinaBuy. Shipping was 200 and some change. I'll put the exact amount up on the screen right now, but you can see here this package is a beast. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. All right, gonna be completely honest, I don't know why the fuck they put tape over here when I can't even see any lines. I don't know where I'm supposed to open this, so you're gonna have to bear with me. I'm pretty sure right now I'm opening it the wrong way, but I don't give a fuck because I couldn't see the... What am I even thinking about, dude? I just need to open this. Ow, fuck. By the way, I never order any of like the corner protections or any of that shit. So let's see how well ACB did keeping these products safe, especially the shoes. I got like 4 pairs of shoes in here. Oh, I'm already seeing some items. This pair of jeans right here. I think this was like 20 bucks or $15, so about to be a crazy haul. Let's get into it. Bro, you know when they're unboxing the coke, like the Mexican police in those drug busts? Like this is what this shit looks like, just white fucking packages, dude. For our first item, we got this Arc'teryx jacket right over here. This is from one of the most reputable Arc'teryx sellers. Of course, this will be on the website. And this is like a windbreaker, Gore-Tex type of jacket. You can see right over here, Gore-Tex, Arc'teryx tags. Oh, beautiful, look at that. Arc'teryx logo, dude, that's sick. Let's take a look at the inside tags as well. Right over here, looking good. Not much to say, good jacket. It's really light, it's like a light jacket. But I don't know how warm this will keep me. I'll most definitely have to test it out. And if you're interested, hit me up on Discord. I can give you all the details on this. Alright, here we got one of the bricks of coke. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is a pair of shoes, pair of McQueen's, starting with the bag. Nobody gives a fuck about that. And a lot of you guys might be wondering, dude, didn't you just pick a pair of these up like a month ago? Yeah, I did. I got the wrong size. If you're a size 9.5, make sure you get a 43 if you have a foot that's on the bigger side. Oh wait, look at this. It has like that fluffy material. It said velvet. This, for one, this is not velvet, but it is some sort of other fabric. It's not leather, that's for sure. The other parts of the shoe, I guess there's some sort of leather. I don't know what the exact material is. The sole seems nice and soft. The edges, they're okay. But last time I had a huge issue where this part of the shoe was mega uncomfortable. I'll have to test these out on feet and see how they do. All right, boys, what do you think? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's a belt. Oh, this off-white belt that I picked up. This was one of the last items I got in the haul. Oh my fuck, that's so loud. It scares me. This seller has like the bags and everything. That's sick. Taking a look at the belt itself. Got the tags. Dude, the material on these is sick. Like, it's like a weird silk and it's transparent, like translucent. I like that. And we got the actual belt being strapped together by some fucking zip tie. Let me cut this out. These scissors are trash. Bro, someone please tell me where I can get 1-to-1 scissors, man. Taking a look at the belt. That down gently. Look at that. It's actually pretty heavy metal. I got all the proper tags. I don't know if I should cut this off. This looks cool, but like it's too much for me. Like it's too flashy for me. I can't do this. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear this belt a lot, but it looks sick. Like looking at this print, red lines, bro, the stitching, this entire thing just really well made. Overall, I think this belt is a really nice pickup in terms of like being 1-to-1. I just don't know if I would personally wear it. So overall, I give it an 8 out of 10. And by the way, if you're interested in picking up any of these products in this haul, all of them will be on the website. The links will be in the description. We got this next package right over here. Oh my God, I just remembered. These are the Dior B30s, I'm pretty sure, B22s. One of those numbers. Taking a look at these, you can see here, Dior logo on the inside. Oh my God, the weight on these is so nice. Like it's the perfect amount of weight. The sole is really heavy. Take a look at the other pair as well. So much packaging and shit, bro. I don't want all your packaging. You can see over here, this little Dior tab right here. Bottom, Christian Dior. Made in Italy. You already know what it is. Got this tag as well. Nobody wants to read all that. And some packaging. This one's not as nice as the Alexander McQueen packaging. Got an extra pair of shoelaces. Dude, I don't know why they send extra shoelaces. I don't know how to lace any pair of shoes. Like, I don't get it, bro. Like, do people actually do this shit? Let me know in the comments. All right, this next item is a similar pair from the same seller. Oh, sorry, no. This is an Acne Studios pair. I remember this. You see right here, Acne Studios. Got this nonchalant off face in the back. Got the tags right over here as well. Get a good look. And overall, these are heavy, dude. These are heavy. I don't like heavy pants. These are like carpenters. You can see they got the knee protection right over here. Look at these pockets. These are some big off pockets. But yo, no, for real, this material is like thick as hell. Like, this is some pretty good quality. These aren't gonna fall apart like a lot of the other jeans that you buy for super cheap. And this thing was only like $20, so pretty good pickup. Got another brick right over here. Let's open this thing up. Oh yeah, dude, these are the New Balances. All these shoes are from the same seller. I found his store and he has a bunch of really cheap shoes. So I was like, someone has to check them out, see if the quality's good. So I was that person. Ordered these off of his store. I think these were only like 30 bucks, which is an insane price considering all the other New Balance sellers are like 40, 50, 60 dollars, or the good ones at least. So you can look here. The sole looks perfect. Damn. Taking a look around, the tongue feels good. Pause. Taking a look around, the tongue feels good. No skibby. Yeah, overall, good shoe. Got the New Balance tag right over here. I didn't even notice that. I literally just checked these out at a Foot Locker like an hour ago. But yeah, overall, pretty solid pair. This next item we got here is some Playboi Carti merch. You can see it says Narcissist. I got this in a large. I'm actually giving this away to a friend. So yeah, looks pretty good. Material check, material check. It's a normal cotton t-shirt. Here we got another shoe. Not sure which this one is either. Oh dude, these are the Chelsea boots I got. These are a pair of Common Projects. You can see right here, got the Common Projects like numbering thing. I don't really know what this means. This seller also has really good Common Project sneakers, the super basic ones that every like minimalist guy just swears by. It also comes with this little bag, but again, nobody cares about that. Material wise, these are crazy. Like, look at the bottom. This material is, I don't know what it is, but it's kind of sick. These don't smell bad either, but they smell like, if you've ever gotten shoes from like Winners or some shit, like winter boots, that's what they smell like. I don't know. Got another pair of shoes. No clue as to what they are. Oh, these are Birkenstocks I got. And I got the one with the fur inside. Oh my god. Dude. Birkenstock right over there. Birkenstock right over there. Size 43. Always double check your size. Use a US to EU size chart. Filling out this other pair here. Again, oh my goodness. Dude, I can't believe how good this is. I've gotten a jacket which was supposed to have a similar material. And that thing was so trash. Got all messed up after one wash. But yeah, I'm really happy with how these turned out. Doing a small test. Smell like actually a new box of shoes when you go get them from the store. No smell of Chinese factory glue. So I will be happily putting my feet in here with those socks later today. And here we got another pair of shoes. Damn, I love this colorway, first of all. Can we just appreciate this colorway? Everyone I talk to is like, dude, New Balances are old head shoes. You look like a grandpa, but they're just some haters, dude. These look sick. This is called Carbon Gray on the listing. I don't know what they're actually called. I saw these in the store today too, but I didn't check. I should have checked. But yeah, overall, first impressions, I like. And this next item we got here is a classic item that I've been looking to get for a pretty long time. I went through a couple of sellers, and this is from Cloud Shop, I'm pretty sure the seller's name is. He has the best polo stuff, and he has the best prices as well. I think I got this for 20 bucks, which is an insane price. You can see here, material feels good. This guy has all his tags are on point. Jeez Louise, brother, look at these. You don't get these with any other seller. I'm just saying, if you bought a lot of retail polo, you'll know they always have this thing, the size tag right here. And this guy also has these. But yeah, overall, I'd give this item a 10 out of 10. This material, dude, you just have to feel it to see it, to just know. Like, this is such a good quality item. Alright, last pair of shoes here, boys. And I already know what this one is. This is a pair of Yeezy 350s. I got these at a super discount price. I think these were like 20 or 30 bucks. I don't remember the exact amount. Again, everything is always on the website. So if you want to check out a price, just check over there. I'll always have it. But taking a look at these look a little small, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, why do they come with these balls? Like, am I supposed to eat these? Pause, like what are they? Cool shoe. This is like, you know, this is a calm wear to the gym, that type of stuff. Look at the bottom. This looks just like a pair of Ultra Boosts. This next item, super crazy. So you might be familiar with a lot of stores like Yes Style, and there's a bunch of other shops that are similar on Pinterest and the like. They resell Taobao clothes at billion-dollar markups, and this is one of the products that I found, along with some other items that we'll look into shortly. But this is an unbranded jacket. It's supposed to be a suede jacket, but this is not suede. Did I get scammed? Yes. But let's take a look at the quality. Otherwise, forgetting that it's supposed to be suede. Tags, they're cool. This brand name, what the fuck was he thinking, dude? Boyfriend. Okay, whatever. So let's take a look on the inside. It's a trash type of polyester. This piece is probably going to be seeing my garbage bin very shortly, but let me smell it. Oh fuck, dude, that is atrocious. Yeah, I do this for you guys. I spent $20 on this. All right, next we got a bunch of pants that I got. These are all unbranded from the same seller, and they're all like Kenny Jima style stuff that he's worn or stuff that he's made. I don't know if it's actually Bouger stuff, but let's take a look. Starting with this pair of jeans right over here. I think this is like a baggier pair, and I don't wear baggy jeans too much. I like my jeans like straight, normalized jeans, you feel me? And no tag over here. Back tag is empty as well. There's a tag over here, but again, empty. Just orange. Size tag right over here, small. This is waist size 30, I believe. Yeah, not much to say. Looks actually really good. I like the wash. Look at the wash. Very washed. Next item we got here is a set. These were $13 each, 13 for the top, 13 for the bottom. You can see this is like really thick material. I was expecting this to be a lot thinner, but this is like pretty thick material. And obviously it's got the matching top for it. It's like a button up. You can wear a t-shirt, you can wear no shirt if you're a real Playboy, but I don't know if I can do all that. So I'm probably gonna be wearing this with a shirt on. Let's take a look. Buttons. I'm not a big fan of buttons, especially on these clothes, because they tend to pull off, but this looks pretty sturdy, I'm not gonna lie, so I take that back. Buttons on it seem fine. Inside, also very soft. Got the tags right over here. And honestly, if you don't like these tags up here, you can cut them out, but really nobody cares. Alright, next item, another unbranded item. Been buying a lot of unbranded items because that's just how I've been feeling these days. Button up. Guys, I've been wearing only button ups in the house everywhere you go, because every time you put on a t-shirt it messes up your hair. Like, you get out of the shower, you like put your hair proper and it looks so good, you put on a t-shirt and it's all messed up. Like, I just can't with t-shirts anymore. Like, L Riz. But yeah, no, t-shirts just fuck up your hair, so I'm not a big fan these days. I've been wearing these button ups. You can see this is like linen, I'm pretty sure. That's what the listing said, at least. I don't really know what linen's supposed to be like. Comes with an extra button. Wow, that's nice. That is very nice. Yeah, over here you can see it says something. I'm not sure what it says, but one of these probably say that it's made out of linen, even though I don't know what actual linen feels like. So I'm just guessing. I'm just a guesser, bro. And I don't want to waste your guys' time, so let's do a quick run through of all these Mr. CYC items. All right, starting with this pair of pants right over here. This is like a pair of like dressy pants for, you know, casual, going out, outgoing. Yeah, not a lot to be said. Quality seems good. I don't like this material the most. I've talked about this in my last haul video. I got another pair of pants that were similar, and I'm not a big fan of the material, but when you wear it, it feels nice. It's just that the outside doesn't feel nice, but otherwise, great pair of pants. And here we got the last pair. This from the same seller. It's basically the same item. It was a different listing though, so it could be a slightly different cut. You can look here. Same brand. I think this is actually the seller's name. That's kind of cool. Obviously, if you don't fuck with it, you can always rip it out. It's like just two threads that are holding it in. But I've been wearing a lot of unbranded clothes, and I usually don't rip the small brand tags out because I'm way too lazy. But you can see here, similar style going on. bell bottoms, flared, whatever you want to call them. Go look at the zipper here. Pretty good zipper. Button. Yeah, overall the quality on these, I really like it, but obviously I will have to tell you more after I try these on. And here we got another mystery item. No clue what's inside here. First person to guess, or no, I'm not gonna do that, bro. I literally don't know what's in here. Oh dude, it's another belt. I got this belt for like $3. I'm not even lying. So I'm kind of concerned about what the leather quality is gonna be like, and so far it's really light in like a bad way. It feels like cardboard. But dude, it has like that proper belt leather smell, but it's still way too light. But yeah, overall super simple. It's a super simple belt. You see nothing crazy going on like the off-white belt. Just a clean little buckle for, you know, off days. All right, and this next item, this is from the seller I was talking about before, Unbranded. You can see this could be a brand. I don't know. It's not mainstream at least. The material on these, it's like the right amount. Like the Acne Studio pair that I just opened, that was super thick. That was super heavy. This is very comfortable. It's like a good amount of material, soft. It's kind of stretchy. Dude, I'd wear these. Like this is something I'd wear every day because I've been wearing a lot of chinos and stuff like that lately. And these are a little like flared at the bottom. I like that. Kind of gives it a cool vibe. Not too different, but slightly different from the regular. So, you know, good pickup. So a lot of people surprisingly are really into unbranded clothes in my Discord. So this guy's the goat of unbranded clothes right over here, Mr. CYC. If you're into unbranded clothes, next week's drop on the website is gonna be insane. I have so many of this guy's pieces going up on the website, and these things are like $10 a piece. This shirt right here was $8 or less. It's like a pleated shirt. If you've seen the Issey Miyake JF150s, anything from that line, I actually have a pair of those pants coming very soon. But if you've seen anything from that line, you know what this like pleated look is like. It's kind of nice, and it feels really comfortable on your hands. And dude, for $8, you can't get anything better than Mr. CYC's quality. No clue how he does it, but this guy is a godsend. He absolutely goes crazy on these. And that's all there is to it, boys. As always, make sure to check out my website, repfinds.co. We support a bunch of agents, including AllChinaBuy. And make sure to join the Discord as well. We're going to be doing a huge giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that. As always, it's been your boy Ken, and I'll see you boys next time. Peace.